Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 23rd of April 2025 and me and Ilana, my granddaughter, we're very excited. We're going to make our first harvesting video. Are you excited, Ilana?
Yeah.
Stay with us till the end, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, these are mully, Ilana. Look at them. They look so beautiful, don't they? Are you excited to harvest them?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to harvest this large one here? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, pull that one out. That's it. Wow. Hold this. Do you like the mully?
Yeah.
Now, we started these mullies just about over 4 weeks ago, and they grow very fast. They're one of my favorite. Look at this beautiful mully. How about this one? Come on. That's it. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? Show us. You happy?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to harvest this large one here? This one? Okay, this is a big one there.
Yeah.
This one there. Come on. Left hand. Wow, that's a huge one. That is a huge one, look. Hold it. Hold it here. Show it to everybody. Oh, that's a huge one. All right, let's harvest a few more. Shall I harvest a few for you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a big one there. How about this one here? Which other one would you like to harvest? How about this one here? This one? That's a big one here, look.
This.
Yes, come on. You want to harvest that? You want? That's it. Put it out. Don't be scared, put it out.
Come.
Bit more strength. Have you had your Weetabix this morning? Alright, look. This one you just put, oh, that's quite, alright, good, look. This one needed a little effort. Okay, so far we harvested 6 of them. Should we harvest a few more?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Wow. That's a huge one. Oh, it looks beautiful. Ilana, are you looking forward to summer gardening?
Yeah.
You're going to be doing a lot of harvesting from here, aren't you? Okay, so mullies, they grow really fast. They took slightly less than 4.5 weeks. That's a great harvest, Ilana, isn't it? How many did you harvest? Count them. That's not 12. I can see about seven of them. Count again.
7.
7, yes, that's enough for today, yes?
Yeah.
Now let's give everyone a quick update. Now these are a couple of cucumber plants I planted in this container. And they have settled down. MashaAllah, I can see that they're starting to shoot out. They're looking great. Hopefully in another couple of weeks time it's going to climb up this cane here, and in about 4 weeks time we should be harvesting lots of cucumbers, Ilana, from these cucumber plants. Do you like harvesting cucumbers?
Yeah.
Do you remember last season you harvested many cucumbers for me? You like eating cucumbers?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is a couple of tomato plants. These are dwarf varieties. I've got 2 in this container here, and they're looking good. They're starting to produce fruits now. I can see they're flowering, and one of them is turning into fruit. So this is really nice. Eggplant. This is a Black Beauty aubergine, and it's settled down in this container here, looking good. Another few more weeks, hopefully this should get a little taller. In about 6 weeks time it should start producing aubergine for us. More aubergine plant. Let's just give you an update on our other plants. These plants are doing good. We're just waiting to transplant them into larger containers. Now, chili plant. Let's give you an update on the chili plant. MashaAllah, this chili plant is looking great. It's producing lots of flowers. Even though I took some flowers off on a couple of weeks ago, I'm hoping this chili plant should produce a lot of chilies for us. I planted this into a large container. Beautiful looking mullys. Mullys are great to grow. They're fun to harvest with your kids. Why not get your grandchildren and children involved in gardening at early stage? It's a very good hobby. Don't you think so, Ilana? Mm-hmm. I'm really looking for the summer gardening. You looking for harvesting?
Yeah.
Ilana, always help us harvest. Mully with fish curry. Do you like fish curry?
Mully with fish curry.
Yeah, mully with fish curry. They taste absolutely beautiful. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But you don't like the bony one, don't you?
No.
So you like fish with less bone. The
Yeah.
bualmas. She likes bualmas. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. And I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Alright, let's take this home. Give this a good clean and get your nanny to cook beautiful fish curry.
Okay.
Okay? Hold this.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me harvest.
Slug.
Oh, is the slug there? Oh my god. Oh, the slugs are nice. Let me show you the slug. Look at this cheeky slug here. Look at these cheeky slugs. The next video we're going to make is going to be about slugs, how to keep the slugs away from your garden.